Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps so you can link your custom domain and make your Bolt app accessible online. First, go to the Squarespace website and log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click Manage Domains. Then click Dashboard. Select the website you created and look for its domain. Copy your domain name. Next, open a new tab and go to Bolt.new. Open the app you created and make sure you have already published it. Click the Settings, Gear, Icon, then select Server Functions. Go to Domains and Hosting and click Connect a domain you own. Enter your domain name. If there's a problem, like the domain being unregistered, already connected to another project or in use somewhere else, you'll see a warning. If everything looks good, click Verify. After Bolt confirms that your domain is registered, click Add Domain. Bolt will also automatically add the www version of your domain, so both example.com and www.example.com work. Once added, you'll see a message that says, "Your custom domain has been added but is not yet functional." Now it's time to update your DNS settings. Still in Project Settings greater than Domains and Hosting, click Resolve DNS Issues. Keep this DNS configuration window open. You'll need the instructions it shows. Open a new tab and log into your Squarespace account again. Go to the DNS settings of your domain. Create the alias record exactly as shown in Bolt's DNS configuration window. If you can't locate your DNS panel or don't see alias options, contact Squarespace support for help. After updating your DNS, you'll need to wait. Most domains connect within a few hours, but full propagation can take up to 24 hours. Once enough time has passed, return to Bolt to verify your domain status. Click the gear icon, then select All Project Settings. Go to Domains and Hosting. If everything is working, you'll see a green shield next to your domains. This means your domain is connected and the SSL certificate is active. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily connect your Squarespace domain to Bolt.new anytime.